Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to a brand new video. So hope you guys are having amazing days, guys. Back again with a tech video for you guys. So guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to boost the sound on any type of earbuds you're having, whether they are Bluetooth headset, Bluetooth speaker, or even if you want to make your car speaker louder when you have connected using your Bluetooth on the smartphone. So this video isn't about how to fix low volume issue, like if your earbuds used to be loud and now they are not. You can watch my other video on how to fix the low volume issue. It's pretty easy. All you have to do is just reset the earbuds and that's about it. I will put the link in the description for that video. But in this video I'll be showing you how to fix the the volume being very low and there isn't enough loudness in the music when you're listening. So I bought these earbuds. They were pretty cheap, under $20. I mean, the sound quality is good, the battery life is also very good, but the loudness isn't there. And when I have these earbuds inside my ear, the volume is so low that I can really hear the outside world very easily. So after trying a couple of tricks, I found this app on Play Store which is known as Volume Booster. Now, of course, there are a million different apps which are claiming to be volume booster, but I think only 2 or 3 were working out of so many I tried. I'm not saying all of those are junk, but most of them are just a gimmick. You download them, they don't even work or something like that. So I will put the link in the description for this app so you can easily download it. So basically what it really does is, after you have installed this app, you have to open it and it's going to boost the sound. Of course, you have the menu on how much you want to boost. So I will say 20 to 25% is more than enough, because if you go upwards of like 30%, then the loudness is going to be there. Your earbuds are going to be so much louder, but the sound will be very bad. I mean, it's just like someone is screaming through the earbuds. So I think 20 to 25% is pretty good. And also the great part is you can use this app to even boost your normal headphones like the 3.5 mm, or if you want to boost the speaker of your smartphone, it also works with that. Now I won't recommend you guys to boost it upwards of like 35% or 40%, because then it's not really safe for the ears, because the sound gets very loud. And I don't think people are going to be making it that much louder, because also you want to hear the bass and the sound quality also matters. So I think 20 to 25% is a pretty good zone for me. Of course, you can try it on your own to find a perfect spot on which you want to boost the volume. But overall, this is a great app and almost a completely free trick you can use to almost boost the sound of any Bluetooth earbuds, Bluetooth speaker, or even I did it to boost the sound of my speaker on my car, because I use Bluetooth to put music on and the speakers were not loud enough. But after using this app, the sound was so much better. Another thing I want to say is, when you are not using the earbuds or any device, you have to really disable this software. I mean, you have to go and turn it off, because if you don't, then it will also boost the sound of the speaker of your smartphone, which is going to make your smartphone speaker sound really awful for some odd reason. So you can really do that. But if you're having a smartphone which has the speaker which aren't enough loud, like I had Poco, the speakers on the Poco were not loud enough, so I used this app to make the speakers louder and so much better. So overall, a really nice trick to fix this problem. So this video isn't sponsored by app or anything like that. This app works really good, so that's why I'm recommending you this one. Of course, you can try some other one also if you think those are better, but for me, because this was working, so I decided to put this app in this video. So with that being said, if you like the video, make sure to give it a like, and if you're new, consider subscribing or become a part of this channel. And thanks for watching, and goodbye.